If you're still using an iPhone 11 and wondering whether it's worth upgrading to iOS 27, you're not alone. Millions of people continue to use the iPhone 11 because of its reliable performance, great cameras, and long-lasting software support. But how well does it handle Apple's latest iOS 27 update? In this video, we'll take a look at iOS 27 on the iPhone 11, including performance, battery life, new features, and whether you should update. The iPhone 11 may not be Apple's newest device, but it remains one of the most popular iPhones ever released. With iOS 27, Apple continues to bring new features and security improvements to supported devices, helping older iPhones stay useful for years. One of the first things users notice after updating is the refreshed software experience. iOS 27 introduced new customization options, smoother animations, and improvements to many built-in apps. The interface feels modern and polished. Even on an older device like the iPhone 11, performance is another important factor. Despite being released several years ago, the iPhone 11's A13 Bionic chip is still capable of handling everyday tasks such as social media, web browsing, video streaming, and gaming. While some advanced features may run better on newer iPhones, the overall experience remains smooth for most users. Battery life is often a concern after major updates. In many cases, battery performance may fluctuate during the first few days as the system completes background optimization tasks. After that period, battery life generally stabilizes and returns to normal usage levels. Security is one of the biggest reasons to update. iOS 27 includes important security patches and system improvements designed to keep your personal information safe. Staying on the latest software helps protect your device from vulnerabilities and ensures compatibility with newer apps. Overall, iOS 27 gives iPhone 11 users access to the latest Apple features while extending the life of a device that still performs well in 2026. So, should you install iOS 27 on your iPhone 11? For most users, the answer is yes. The update brings new features, improved security, and continued support that helps keep your iPhone running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips, updates, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.